Hi, okay, this is Syberia Android 12 and this ROM is right now in testing. This is unofficial build and okay, so let's go. And first thing first, you need to flash Android 11 firmware. Once you have flashed Android 11 firmware, go to wipe and wipe your system. Select system and swipe to wipe. Right. Now once this is done, we will go to folder and we will flash directly Syberia ROM. Right. This is Syberia v5.0 unofficial. Right. This ROM is right now in testing. You can join the group. I will give the link in the description of Syberia group. Right. You can join the group and okay, now go and now install GApps. Right now I will flash Flam GApps. This ROM doesn't comes with GApps build. Okay, so you need to flash GApps. You can use Nick GApps, Flam GApps. Okay, now it's flash. Now back, and now I will flash DFE, disable DM, disable force encryption. Right, this is for decrypted users. You can skip this part if you are encrypted. Alright. Decryption DFE is installed. We will go to wipe again and select cache and swipe to wipe. Now go to manage partitions, and select data and click the tick mark, and here you can see the file system is ext4. Right, select F2FS and swipe to change file system. Now changing file system is going to wipe everything that is in your internal storage. So before doing these steps, please make backup of your important data to your PC or back it up in your pen drive. Right, now here we can see the new boot animation of Syberia. Okay, we have successfully put it up and you get set up. You can set it up. You can complete the setup process and proceed to next step. Let's go to settings and hop in about phones. Here you can see Android version 12. Here you can Easter egg, and the security patch is 5th November, and the kernel is Soviet Star kernel, and SE Linux status is missing right now as this is test build, so there will be bugs and something will be missing right now here. Right, here quick step launcher. This ROM use quick step launchers. Yeah, these are the features you get. These are the widgets you can get in this Syberia. And we have CPU throttling. Let's go and see the Geekbench score. Multi-score 2780, right? This is a great score for performance, and definitely this ROM will give you good performance in gaming. You can try this ROM for gaming, right? You can try this ROM as your daily driver for your gaming. This is a good ROM. Now Play Store device is certified here. You don't have to worry about that, and the camera is basic Snapdragon Qualcomm camera. And here QS settings, you have anti-flicker modes. If we go to edits, here are the options you get in quick settings, right? Now you have screen recorder with external and internal audio option to record your gameplay or anything that is in your screen, right? Okay, this is a bug right now. You can see this is right, this transparency. Have seen these bugs in other Pixel ROM as well, in other Android 12 ROM as well. And you get Syberia settings here, and here some options are missing right now. You can customize your power key button, enable some options like screenshot, screen recorder, and flashlight. Yeah. Right now this ROM is in testing, so the full version has not come yet. When the stable version of this ROM comes, it will be very good custom ROM for your daily driver and for gaming, and the performance will be on the next level of this Syberia Android 12. And thanks for watching the video. If you like watching custom ROM flashing, custom ROMs related or updates, then please consider subscribing the channel and turning on the notification, and it really motivates me. Thank you. Peace out. Goodbye.